Away in a Manger, Circle C, which is bars 9, 10, 11, and 12. Let's learn the melody in the right hand. Actually, Circle C melody is the same as Circle A melody, so we've already learned this. But I'll go ahead and play it anyway. Thumb on middle C, stretch 3 to the F, same F, step up to G line, step up to A space, back to 3 on the F space, switch so that the 1 is now on the F, stretch 2 to the A space, step 3 on the B flat, 4 is on the C, C again, step up to the D line, down a third to the B flat line. Let's play that with a steady beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and ready, here we go. Pie, 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 apple pie, pie, apple pie, 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 2 counts. Now let's learn how the left hand goes. When we ended Circle B, your thumb in your left hand was on middle C. Now we're going to step to finger 2 on the B flat at Circle C. Left hand now has a harmonic third, F line and A line. Did you see how we just changed from the B flat, step down to 3 on the A and add with it 5 on the F line. You're going to stay right there. There's 3 crotchets in a row, and it goes from the F line to the A line, up to the C line, middle C, back to the A line, hold that A line. The next note, we're going to stretch that thumb a little bit higher to the D space. Let's take a look at that again. If you're in middle C position, at Circle C, finger number 2 is on the B flat, step down to the A line and add with it the harmonic third. So we have F line and A line, harmonic third, 3 and 5. Stay right there. Finger number 5 is on the F line, up a third to the A line, up a third to the C line, back down a third to the A line. Stretch the thumb up for the D space above middle C. That's bar number 12. Now let's take a look at how the magic circles are. We have right thumb on middle C. Oh, look at that. Our hands are in middle C position for Circle C. So we're going to play that B flat left hand with the thumb middle C right. But now right hand's going to stretch so that 3 is on the F. Left hand has the harmonic third. That's magic circle. Let's go to the next bar. The same note, right hand F, left hand 5 F. Right hand's going to switch to thumb on the F, left hand goes up a third to the A line. Stretch the right hand 2 up to the A space, thumb is on middle C. Skip over that B flat, we're going to have 4 on that C space, right hand, 3 is already on the A. That's the magic circle. In bar 12, stretch that thumb in your left hand up to the D space. Right hand 3 is on the B flat. Let's do all those magic circles again. At Circle C, thumb in your right on middle C, left hand 2 B flat. The next magic circle, 3 on the F, harmonic third in the left. The right hand has the F, the left hand has the F. Switch the right hand thumb to the F, stretch 2 up to the A, step up, B flat, magic circle. You have A in the left, C in the right. A couple more C's, and then up to the D, skip down to the B flat, but your left thumb has got to reach up for the D. Let's try putting that together really slow with what comes next. Don't worry about the rhythm. Let's just see what comes next. What comes first is B flat and C, magic circle. Next is another magic circle. F in the right, harmonic third in the left. Keep holding that harmonic third. Play the F again, right hand. Step up to the G. Step up to the A. Right hand's going to go down a third to the F. Left hand plays 5 on the F. Right hand switches 1 to the F. Left hand goes up a third to the A. Right hand stretches 2 to the A. Left hand plays middle C. Right hand steps to B flat. Right hand steps up to C at the same time, magic circle, left hand A. Same C right. Step up to the D right. The right hand's going to go to the B flat while the thumb in the left hand is on D. Now let's learn how it's going to go with a steady beat, really slow. So we count 1 and 2 and 3 and ready. Here we go. 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and. Let's try that one more time. Ready, here we go. 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and. A little quicker this time. Ready? 1 and 2 and 3 and ready. Here we go. 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and. A little quicker. 1 and 2 and 3 and ready. Here we go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and. A little quicker. 1 and 2 and 3 and ready. Here we go.